Ford Focus. Yep. Okay, no start. See what we got here. Battery was out, so I might have to do something. I don't know. Supposedly crank sensor code. Ran when it came in, they changed the timing chain cover. The engine mount broke, and it broke the timing chain cover. That's what it was originally in here for. When they swapped over the crank sensor, it wouldn't start, so then they put another one in there, and it still won't start. Internal control module what? What the hell? I don't know what that is. Broke out the old snap on here. Cam and crankshaft sync, engine speed, RPM, and cranking. Yes. Okay. Crank it again. All right. I have spark. I have cam crank sync. I got to check fuel. That's where we are with this one so far. I got fuel pressure here. I got 1499. There's about 1800. So it is getting fuel pressure. I'm going to check to see how the plugs look. It's worn pretty bad. The only thing they did was timing chain cover. So I do want to check cam and crank correlation. These plugs are really worn. I'm going to re-gap them to try to get this closer to spec. This needs spark plugs for sure, but that's not the problem. The spec is 34 to 36, which should be there. And I'm up to about 58. I'm hooked up to the crankshaft sensor. I'm using the sensor ground. Try to get a cleaner signal. See right here? Where the falling edge is? It's right there on this separation. Let me look at this one here. Is the known good I got? Oh, I know that I got that backwards. I got to check that because I got a falling edge there. But I did just adjust it, tarted it a little bit, which should bring the crank over this direction. I'm not exactly sure if it's going to work. The balancer was off. Now, I don't know how this looks on the inside. There was a Mazda that I worked on before when they took it apart and they put it back together. There's no timing marks on there. What happened was it was way off. Let's see what it looks like when I crank it. Just want to see if I went the right direction. Another thing I got going on here is this car right here. This is a 2015. If you notice, the crank goes high. Now, I don't know if he had that hooked up wrong or not, but I had them change the camshaft sensor. I keep saying camshaft, crankshaft sensor back to the original one. Now you can see it hangs high. It's no longer inverted. Here's the one from the known good, how it hangs high. That's it for the day. They have to get the tooling to set this balancer correctly. I believe it doesn't have a keyway. It uses like diamond washers, and you have to use tooling to line everything up. After that gets set, hopefully this thing will start, but that would have been a problem as well. This thing probably wouldn't have started with that other one. But we will see.